9 pump. 10 mile an hour is the speed limit on this class, folks. Pretty hard for Nolan to turn this one down unless he goes under 75 foot. Down there, 302 feet. That is your first official. You've got that sled set just a little bit to the north or south side of the track. Healthy sounding engine though. Let's get her fired up. Do her up. Tried a little different path than the rest of the guys. He's 302 feet though to win this pole. Shortage of power, that's for sure. He was sitting there on the top. But I do believe this is your points leader right now. 302 feet he's going to have to beat, folks. And one full belly of weight, that's for sure.
At the end, but
291 feet with Tony Cooley, so we'll see. We'll get this going, that's for sure. I think we have a new leader. Jordan Miguel, let's here. Do her up and get her done. I put him in third place. It wasn't a bad one.
We're bringing Cal Sullivan to the line of Manchester, Iowa. Silent Ponder Unhood IH400 HD for your test puller tonight.
you're right on the money. That's about the time that tractor got in the car accident it did. And this was the sheet metal available, and they wanted to have something a little more modern, and that's what you're seeing there on the track right now. Sucker runs real good. Darren Heineck does a lot of wrenching on this tractor, and he is the man piloting this tractor tonight. He's going to have to beat 315 feet, and if he was going to want to do that, he's going to have to get north of 30 mile an hour. Otherwise, these guys all have a special tire combination too. But let's see what Darren Heineck's got. Been here since 10 o'clock this morning. Darren Heineck, Eddyville, Iowa. That's why he brought this 466 Limited Pro class in. Gary Braun, Traeger, let's see her do her up. Yeah, he did get it. Brian. He got out there. He's going to have to do it. We'll see what he's got. He's going to throw his hat into the ring right about now. Carson Mangles in Charlotte, Iowa.
Turn me loose indeed, he did, ladies and gentlemen, at 315.6.
Lethal injection, first hook of the night. We're going to find out real shortly if he's going to take her or turn her down.
At 29.3 mile an hour for your test hook for this evening, sir.
Get done. He's got a sharp looking rig, and I think he's going to do her up, that's for sure. Alright, he got her shut down. Pretty sweet hitch setup going on there. We'll see if he can get this let out without hopping so bad.
Got a distance of 309.40 feet.
He doesn't have quite the aggressive tires, but that sucker's gonna run! Yeah, let's do her up! What do we got here? 320 feet. We got a new leader. 1.2 mile an hour, 306 feet. 306.64. That is our current leader, Andrew Vorwald. 10 wins on the season. He's going to be tough to beat. All right, 288 feet in this class. This is going to be the one. I hope he does her. We can't see them red tractors win all night, that's for sure, folks.
We're going to try to leave out of like 10 o'clock, but otherwise we're just going to go.
We got to see one deer win tonight. Justin Vorwald has one win, and God, where was it? Central City? Dubuque, Iowa, hometown win for Justin. Let's see if he can do her up again tonight here in Potosi.
We don't have as much scenery as they got around here.
Get her wound up, Justin! Oh yeah, he did her. All right, man. 307 feet is what he's going to have to be. All right, off the left side of the track, she got her sucked over a little bit. Not a bad. All right, Nick Shirley, tech official, East Central Iowa Tractor Pullers. Hailing out of Oxford Junction. See what he's got going on. She always puts on a good show. I love it. That's for sure. These guys put on a hell of a show. We love them. All right, Max Roop. That there's a John Deere engine, the only one in the class. Hey, 305 feet. It wasn't a bad hook. We're gonna sling him up right there. Not bad. Not bad at all, but it's going to put him in a fourth position. I'm going to get you some distance.
Distance of 333 feet, .22. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Darren Heineck out of Eddyville, Iowa with the possessed John Deere 4010. That's a good pull right there at 315.27.
International. A little bigger engine, had to find a little bit of weight to lose, but he's got her going on, JB. Let's do her up.
325, the Z-Ride out of Potosi, Wisconsin. Ladies and gentlemen, give your hands up. That track is big tires, about 240.
To make sure they are within the legal limits of the class.
That would be a distance of 335.24 feet.
335, that is. Mike and Bob Maker, high price honey. It's out there. They're really good. Big time. Is the third place, and the track you just seen, Mars Sternberg, is a 329. So just a fair warning. 342 feet is what he's going to have to beat. A lot of wins under his belt this year, even one down there in Davenport. We'll see what he's got. And you aren't going to see too many tractor classes going this fast, folks. We've watched 4.1s this summer and 640 or 680 pro stock, but 34 mile an hour is definitely fast. In the 410 in the 8,500 pound class. Right up there. He's right up in the neighborhood. 33 mile an hour, 331 feet. 433s there. Survey says sweet as can be. Kurt Bockinson, Edgewood, Iowa. JB, what do we got for a distance? Mile-an-hour, folks. Keep your eyes peeled there on the speed limit at the end of the track. We'll see what he's got. He's going to have to first official hooks, and he doesn't have a distance to beat. We'll see what he's got going on. A lot of tough running tractors back there yet. Right down through there, 317 feet. Jumped on that tractor for the first time. Kansas official distance there, 3:12.44 at 15. Pulling dedicated tires. Bobby Niles, Platteville. Let's see here, Bobby. Official distance. Look at that hook right down the middle. All right, Larry, let's see what you got. 317 feet is what you got to beat. Oh, yeah, Larry, let's do her up, man. 3:18.47 is the new distance to beat. Miller got a good driver and a track that is continuously improving, so we'll see what he's got going on. Not bad at all. The whole shot didn't quite have what's on him. Everding and Mark Miller, once upon a time. Dave Miller and Mitch Zumbaugh bought this sucker, brought her back home, and been a hardcore competitor and last year's point champion with East Central Iowa Tractor Pullers. Right up there. Cool Deutsch. Jeremy Ryder. Smoking Royal Deer. Feet, not bad at all. He should be happy with that one. 9 mile an hour. We'll see what he's got going on. Do her up, Brian. Let's see what you got. All right, Brian. 314 feet we got there. Rochar, Urbana, Iowa. He come hot now. He come out hot right up. He was a little stock champion, Colin Burnell. Had some work done her on this winter. She runs good now. Do her up, Colin. Let's see her get her done. Right there at 16 mile an hour. What do we got to
Ritter Mafia, Doug Martins, Fairbank, Iowa, John Deere 4320.
Oh, he's right there. What do we got? Oh boy, Wyatt. We have a very... Only one guy that don't want to see that, though. Yeah, just a little late on the throttle, but not bad. We didn't speed. We'll take it as a win.